Hey everybody, this is my friend Sylvia here. She's going to teach me how to do wheelies.
Yeah.
Now, I have been doing wheelies for 37 years,
Yeah.
I'd say. I think I got my first one up when I was about 5 or 6. But I've never learned how to do 12 o'clockers, balance point wheelies.
Yeah.
I can't use the rear brake. I need your help.
We're gonna make it happen.
All right,
You
explain
ready?
to me what this thing is.
So this is a Honda Grom, and this is the wheelie attachment for it, so it doesn't loop out. That's all it is. This right here is my little remote. So if you didn't listen to me, or if for some reason you looped out and then you're holding on and it's kind of wheeling out of control, I can turn the engine off.
No
Okay?
way.
So it will turn it off. I'm not gonna do it right now because the engine is like, we're warming up the battery, but yeah, that's the goal. So if you do something silly, I turn it off and you're safe. And that's it.
Did you make this rig? Or
No, I bought it from Russia.
Bought from Russia.
Yeah.
The Russians come up with the goods.
Yeah, you know, they're all hooligans, so it was great.
That's super sick.
Yeah, and then I just, the cones attached to the little rear axle here with the sliders, and then the wheel can go up and down. It's pretty easy.
So this bounces off against that, does it?
Yes, this hits this. So you don't go all the way back. You don't like loop out. It just kind of sits there at 12 o'clock, and then you
Okay.
can step off, and then we get back on.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Sick. All right. You want to give us a demo first?
Sure, yeah.
right.
I'm gonna get my helmet on.
Yeah. All right.
The way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to pull in the clutch in first gear. I'm going to rev it to about 8,000 RPM.
Yep.
I'm going to bounce on the front suspension just to compress it.
Yep.
And as I'm pushing down, I let the clutch out at the same time.
Yep.
You have to let it go really fast
Okay.
to make it like shock the drivetrain.
So that's a clutch and that's rear brake, is it?
Yeah, we're not going to mess with this. Just
Okay.
this clutch, boom.
Okay,
Let that
cool.
go really fast. And then when I come up, once I get close to balance point, I start using the rear brake.
Okay.
So it's a combination of staying on the gas and using the rear brake and holding it in place.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see you do it first and then
Okay.
I'll come around.
So I'm gonna go from here to here, from here to there.
Okay, cool.
It's easier to go uphill, so I'm gonna start from this way.
All right. Look at that. See, look, just as easy as that.
All right, so I'm gonna do it from like a stop. I'm gonna
Okay.
do it from a stop, and I just rev, let the clutch go, and push.
Okay.
So, like that. We're just gonna do that a lot of times, and then until you get used to it.
All right. All right.
So, the only thing I want you to be worried about a little bit is the extra wheels on the side don't hit anything. Kind of turn it wide like a quad.
Okay.
Don't leave
Like a
it like a
sidecar kind of
motorcycle.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What'd you say? Like, turn it like a quad.
So I'm gonna lift you up and put you at balance point.
Okay, cool.
So you can get on the bike. I'll show you. There's a body position for it too, believe it or
All
not.
right. How are you feeling? I think I was less nervous at the start of the Isle of Man than this. This is the one thing that I've never been able to master.
I need your muscles
and I've
too.
always wanted to be able to do a 12 o'clock.
I'm gonna lift him up.
So I watch the dudes on the Harleys that
Yeah,
can
keep
do
it
12
running.
o'clockers, and I'm just like, man, I so want to be able to do that.
So body position for this. Go ahead, get on.
Okay.
And when you get on the bike, every single time, put your feet on the pegs immediately. The only way that you could get hurt from this is having your feet down and it goes underneath the machine.
Okay,
So
cool.
try to keep your feet on the bike at all times.
Cool.
When you're doing body position for wheelies, you want to kind of sit back in the seat, kind of how you are.
Yeah.
Squeeze the gas tank with your legs, and try to keep your arms relaxed. Don't be all tight on the bars,
Yeah.
just like normal riding, right?
Yeah.
And you don't want to yank the bars up. What I did is I pushed down and let the clutch go. You don't want to pull the bars
Okay.
back, because when you pull the bars back, that's how people loop out.
Okay.
Right? So, and always keep your eyes forward. I told you to like do RPMs, but kind of just listen instead, so you can keep your eyes forward.
Okay.
Small little clutch ups
Okay.
for now. So pull in the clutch, rev to about 8,000 RPM, and then dump the clutch, and then press the rear brake.
Are you going to do the balance point thing?
Oh, right, balance point,
Balance
duh.
point, yeah.
So get in your body position, and then press the rear brake and hold it the whole time just for now,
Okay.
so I can lift you up. You ready?
Yep.
All right, so try to stay in that body position. Oh yeah, you're good. Okay, so balance point for you is a little higher. Anthony, go a little higher. Yeah, you're far back actually. A little forward. This is your balance point right here.
Okay. So that's like, what, 11 o'clock there?
Yeah.
About that?
Right about, Anthony, let go. There we go. I don't know why it was so difficult. It was you. Right here is your balance point.
Okay.
And then if you go too far back, guess what? This is all that happens. So if that happens, just stay on the bike, don't let your feet go.
Okay.
Okay, now you can get off.
I'm trying.
No, like just stand up.
Okay. How the hell do people on 600-pound Harleys do that?
I don't know, actually. Always feet up, remember? Always,
Yeah.
always.
Alright.
You ready? So body position, you keep your foot over the brake the whole time and don't use it until you need it. And I'll be able to tell if you're using it because the light will go on. Woo, let that clutch go a little faster. There we go.
That wasn't too bad for a starter, I think.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna be going downhill,
Yeah.
so it might be more difficult. So give a little bit of a harder compression. Woo! All right, now hold up, hold on. So what you just did there, when you slammed on the brake,
Yeah.
it's because your foot wasn't on the brake.
Okay.
So instead of doing this with your foot, have your foot resting on it, and so that way you can feather it. You don't
Okay.
want to slam the brake.
All right.
It'll be fine.
Harder than it looks.
All right, hold on. So right now your body is forward. Kind of sit back when
Okay.
you do it. There you go. Okay.
Fucking hell.
All right, you can go ahead and get down. Oh, you're so funny.
Oh my God.
So I can tell you have wheelie experience by what you're doing, but
Yeah.
also I can tell that you have more experience doing power wheelies and
Yeah.
using the throttle,
Yeah.
right? So the Grom kind of teaches you not to use power and kind of just use
Back foot.
technique.
Yeah.
So try to smooth out your throttle and smooth out your rear brake just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, it's in gear, so if you want to go ahead and get on there.
Yeah.
Feet up. There you go. Foot on the, hey, foot over the
Yeah.
brake the whole
Yeah.
time.
That's the king. That's,
I know.
God damn it. I'm gonna get this.
There you go. Good. No, that was really good actually. You were using the throttle and the brake really well. Good job.
I'm gonna get this.
Did you feel it though?
Yeah.
Did you feel
As soon as it gets real light.
Yeah,
and
that's
just
where you want to
floaty.
be.
Yeah.
And then just feather the brake just like you were, and that was
Yeah.
it. And you were doing a good job, like controlling the throttle too. That was great.
Okay.
As long as you can stay in that pocket, you're good.
Yeah. It's weird not being able to see where you're going.
I know, you have to kind of just guess.
Yeah. Try again. I'm gonna get this.
Feet up. All right, hold up. Now we're gonna work on a few more techniques, right?
Okay.
So did you notice how you slammed down?
Yeah.
It's because you rolled off throttle and brake. When we're coming down on a wheelie to prevent our forks from seeping, you have to accelerate on the way down.
Okay.
So once you're ready to come down, just accelerate.
Get a gas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Alright.
A little better landing.
It's tiring. Whoa, shit.
That was good. Hold up. That was good, but you pulled in the clutch. Don't worry about that.
Nailed it.
It's hard to get the right feeling with the brake.
So right now you're kind of doing like a lot of two-stroke throttle.
Yeah.
Try to make it smooth. As you're coming up, smooth, and then once you're up at balance point, slight roll off.
Yeah.
And then as it comes forward, then slight roll on back. And then as it comes forward, like you just got to play with it a little bit, but try to make it a little smoother. There we go. That's good. There we go. Hey! He's got it. He figured I knew.
Another day right there.
No, well, the landing was a little bad, but it's pretty good. All right, do your best one and accelerate on the way down. Land it smooth.
Damn it.
That was awful. Nah, you did good.
Oh, that was, I could feel that go slam.
All right, when we rate Rennie.
I give him like a solid 8.5 out of 10.
That's being very
No,
generous.
you did really good.
I'll give myself maybe a 6.
No, that was really good, but you get the idea, right?
Yeah.
And it's with every bike, it's the same technique. It's just you have to do it at different RPMs and
Yeah.
different compressions. That's all.
Right, okay.
I mean, you know, you felt different.
Yeah,
really
absolutely. Well,
before.
once you get that little point where it gets floaty, you're like,
Yeah.
oh, I got it. No, I don't. Oh, I got it. No, I don't.
And it's just rear brake control. That's all it is.
Yeah, that was rad. Thank you.
Yeah, good job.
If anyone wants to do this with you, how do they do it?
They contact me through Instagram or my phone number, and I have a class in San Diego.
We'll put all the links to all that stuff in the video. Wheelies are the best trick in the book. They always have been, so it's good to learn how to do it right. I should have done that years ago. But give Sylvia a ring.
Thank you.